Welcome to the Infiniti booth here at the Montreal Auto Show. This is where we have the latest addition to the Infiniti lineup, the 2013 Infiniti JX. What is it offering? Beautiful exterior styling, interior roominess, flexibility, safety features, and of course all those luxury hospitality elements. You'll look at the exterior, you'll see elements of the concept essence that was here at the Montreal Auto Show a couple of years ago. It's taking its cues as far as the grille. You'll see the double wave hood. You'll see the D pillar, the crescent and the D pillar. When it comes to the interior, when you're looking at the third row, you can fit a full-size person into the third row. There's the flexibility with the second row seating. It can move forward and backward 130 millimeters. And what I think is one of the best features, one of those things that families are looking for with car seats, instead of trying to access the third row taking out the car seat, the Infiniti JX has the movement of the second row seating folding forward with the car seat in place. Amongst some of the other pieces that luxury crossover consumers are looking for is safety. And the latest addition, which is a world first, is the backup collision intervention system. This is when there is going to be a shopping cart or a cart coming as you're backing out of a parking spot. The vehicle will give you warnings that there's something there, and ultimately it will put the brakes on to avoid any type of collision. So this addition to this safety shield is fantastic and something that the Infiniti consumer is looking for.